Highway capacity and level of service. The capacity of any element of the highway system is the maximum number of vehicles with reasonable expectation of passing over the section during a given time period under prevailing roadway and traffic conditions. Ngayon, may kita nyo naman ang terms associated with capacity. Una, ang maximum volume. What is maximum volume? Ang maximum volume, ang dami ng sasakyan na kaya ng isang street na hindi magkakaroon ng traffic. Sumunod, number of vehicles. Ang unit ng number of vehicles ay passenger cars per hour. Ito yung dami ng vehicles na dumadaan kada oras sa isang street. Sumunod naman, reasonable expectations. Assigned values for capacity are more of probability rather than certainties. One direction against two directions. Ito naman, kasi sa one direction, yung flow niya independent from one another. Pero sa two directions, nagkakaroon ng interaction yung isang lane doon sa isang lane, kaya kadalasan nagkakaroon ng effect sa traffic flow and capacity. Sumunod ay ang given time period. Given time period, traffic volume and capacity are stated in vehicles per hour, but traffic flow does not vary uniformly with time, volume, and capacities. Prevailing roadway and traffic conditions. Dito naman, dito sa sa term na to, included yung physical features ng daan, yung capacity ng lane, tsaka kung ano yung sight distance niya, yung width, tsaka yung grades na meron doon. Kasi nakaka-apekto yun sa capacity mismo ng daan. And next, yung ambient condition. Dito naman yung weather-related conditions. Yung rain, yung smog, yung fog, yung wind, tsaka yung mga bagyo. Nakakaroon ng epekto yon sa capacity ng daan. Level of service. The level of service is commonly accepted as measure of the restrictive effects of increased volume. Pag level A, ibig sabihin nun, free flow. Yung speed control, ayon siya sa gusto ng driver. Depende sa gusto ng driver kung gaano kabilis yung sasakyan niya. Sumunod, sa stable flow, nagkakaroon na ng restrictions, pero hindi pa ganun ka restricted talaga. Kaya pa ng